Welcome to Sparks Toyota. Here we have a 2018 Ford F-150 Lariat. It comes well equipped with power folding heated mirrors with signals, step rails, keypad entry, deep tinted privacy glass, and much more. 18-inch machined aluminum wheels, all-season tires, fully automatic aero composite halogen daytime running headlamps with delay off, and a strong six-cylinder with only 18,227 miles. The power sliding rear window, the bed cover, the tow package, tailgate assist, and a comfortable back seat with cup holders and a power outlet. The front row heated and cooled, power leather seats with driver memory. Cruise, dual zone auto climate, a push button start, Hotspot internet, power adjusting pedals, a leather steering wheel with convenience controls, the multimedia touchscreen with a CD player, Bluetooth and voice activation, and a backup camera to make backing up a breeze. Please let us know if you have any questions, and thank you for watching.